When it comes to emergencies, being prepared can make all the difference. Today, we're diving into the best survival kits you can find on Amazon, tailored for outdoor enthusiasts, urban dwellers, and everyone in between. Never let the weather ruin your adventure. The UCO Stormproof Match Kit is built for extreme conditions. With waterproof and windproof matches, it ignites even in heavy rain or strong winds. The durable waterproof case keeps your matches safe and dry, making it a must-have for camping, hiking, or emergency kits. UCO, reliable fire, no matter the storm. Compact and lightweight, the UCO Stormproof Match Kit is easy to carry and designed for durability. The included striker works even when wet, and the case has room for extra matches and strikers, ensuring you're always prepared. Whether you're out in the wilderness or facing an emergency at home, trust the UCO Stormproof Match Kit to keep your fire going. The Bayite Drilled Ferrocerium Rod Flint Fire Starter Survival Kit is a must-have for your outdoor gear. With its rugged design, this fire starter ensures you can make a fire in even the most challenging conditions. It's easy to use, reliable, and compact, making it an essential tool for camping, hiking, or survival situations. Plus, the added convenience of being able to attach it to your gear means you'll always have it when you need it most. Survival made simple. Stay prepared with the Bayite Drilled Ferrocerium Rod Fire Starter Kit. Combine style and functionality with the Flounder 2.0. This 13-in-1 titanium EDC multi-tool pendant is not just a fashion statement but a versatile tool you can carry anywhere. Crafted from lightweight yet durable titanium, it offers 13 essential functions, including a bottle opener, screwdriver, pry bar, wrench, and more. Perfect for everyday use or on-the-go adventures. Compact, stylish, and always ready, the Flounder 2.0 is your ultimate EDC multi-tool companion. The Flounder 2.0 isn't just a multi-tool, it's an innovation in everyday carry. Its ergonomic design ensures comfort, while the corrosion-resistant titanium guarantees long-lasting performance. Whether you're fixing, prying, or cracking open a cold drink, this multi-tool does it all effortlessly. Tackle any adventure with the Hexord 16-in-1 Outdoor Toolkit. Designed for explorers, this compact and portable kit packs 16 essential tools into one sleek design. Whether you're camping, hiking, or facing an emergency, Hexord has you covered with wrenches, screwdrivers, a knife, a bottle opener, and more. Made from durable, high-grade materials, the Hexord is built to withstand the toughest conditions. Its ergonomic design ensures ease of use, making it a reliable companion for all your outdoor adventures. Compact, versatile, and ready for action, Hexord is the toolkit you can count on. Meet HexFlex, your all-in-one compact multi-tool for everyday carry. With its unique Snowflake design, HexFlex combines style and function, offering 15+ tools in a single, pocket-sized device. From opening bottles and tightening screws to tackling outdoor repairs, HexFlex handles it all effortlessly. Made from high-grade stainless steel, HexFlex is lightweight, durable, and corrosion-resistant. Attach it to your keychain or backpack, and never be without the tools you need. HexFlex, small enough to carry everywhere, powerful enough to get the job done. With its sleek and minimalistic design, HexFlex is the perfect companion for any adventure, from city life to the great outdoors. Its multifunctional capabilities, including a wrench, screwdriver, and pry tool, make it an essential tool for any situation. No more searching for multiple tools, HexFlex has it all in one. H to get the job done. Durable, compact, and ready for anything, HexFlex is the multi-tool that fits in your pocket, but performs like a full toolbox. Never leave home without it. Introducing the M-Stand, the perfect solution for all your device holding needs. Whether you're working, streaming, or video chatting, this adjustable and foldable stand provides the perfect angle for your laptop, tablet, or phone. Lightweight and compact, it's designed for maximum convenience wherever you go. Built for stability and flexibility, the M-Stand ensures your devices stay secure while giving you ergonomic comfort. The M-Stand is designed for versatility, whether you're at home, in the office, or on the go. It holds your devices securely while offering multiple angle adjustments, making it perfect for video calls, presentations, or watching your favorite shows. It's sleek, modern design complements any workspace, and its non-slip base ensures your device stays in place. Plus, the M-Stand is made of durable materials to withstand daily use without sacrificing portability. Say goodbye to neck strain and hello to hands-free convenience. Meet the TEDC wrench, a must-have for anyone who needs a reliable tool on the go. Made from durable titanium, this compact wrench combines strength and lightness, making it the perfect addition to your everyday carry kit. With its sleek design and multifunctional capabilities, the TEDC wrench is not only practical but stylish. It's designed for quick fixes, offering versatility without the bulk of traditional tools. Compact, durable, and ready for anything, the TEDC wrench is the perfect solution for all your on-the-go repair needs. Meet the Wind Bullet, the ultimate solution for precision cutting and unmatched performance. Engineered for speed and accuracy, the Wind Bullet is perfect for heavy-duty applications, from metal fabrication to industrial processing. Built to last and designed for efficiency, the Wind Bullet is your trusted companion for precision work. Choose the Wind Bullet, where performance meets perfection.